Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I have been using these bottles by Paksh. They are amber glass bottles with this cap. They are so cute, but they also have been very helpful. So I use them for two things. One, I have been using them as reusable water bottles, so I just keep a couple of them full and I keep them in the fridge, so when they're cold I just grab one. It makes drinking water a little bit more fun because it's this cute little bottle. It also is nice because it is a sealable cap, so when I am not drinking it, I don't have to worry about it spilling. I can grab this on the go, really nice. I also use them for kombucha, so I brew my own kombucha. This is a really good seal, so the carbonation really builds up during the second fermentation. They are really heavy duty, really nice glass. They are such a pretty color. Let me show you with a light shining through. You can see the pretty amber color. If you brew your own kombucha or you're just trying to be environmentally friendly, these amber glass bottles by Paksh have really impressed me. They're really durable and they're just make everything look a little bit fancier. If you're on the fence, go ahead and order them. You won't be disappointed, and that's my point of view.